USibiya utshele ikhomishana ukuthi labeli lincane kakhulu iqhaza lakhe ekusingathweni kwendawo okwabhadanywa kuye izidakamizwa zohlobo lwe-cocaine. Uthe akuyena owayenza izinqumo endaweni yesigameko nangokususwa kwazo lezi zidakamizwa edepho yasesiphingo ziyiswa ePortshepstone. Uthi konke ayikwenza wayilandela imiyalelo yabaphathi bakhe.
This affidavit demonstrates that my involvement in the event of 22 June 2021 was limited and restricted to what I was requested and instructed to do. My mandate did not extend to the handling, storage, registration in the SAP13 register or subsequently transferred of exhibits.
Ikhomishana izwe nokuthi uSibiya wayengenawo amava futhi kwangeyona ingxenye yomsebenzi wakhe ukuphatha amacala athinta izidakamizwa ngesikhathi ebizwa ukuthi azolekelela endaweni yesigameko.
You knew yourself that you had never handled drug busts, you had never been to a depot. So when you get asked for assistance, was it not curious? I mean, why do you ask me? Why not other members who have more experience in this field?
No, Chair, in our office, when the information comes in and there is a person from that section, you assist.
USibiya uchithile ubufakazi baphambilini obethule kulo khomishana obumnyamanisa nokuntshontshwa kwesidakamizwa. Utshele isigcawu sekhomishana ukuthi ngemuva kokubekwa kwesidakamizwa ePortshepstone, okhiye besikhungu bashiywa kuGeneral Sija Senona oyinhloko emisiwe yamaHawks KwaZulu-Natal. Isigcawu siyaqhubeka.